Hi, so what I got here is the Wyze Smart Home Starter Pack, and let me go ahead and unbox this and show you what it comes with and actually what it actually looks like. So just opening it up, you can see first off, it actually does come with a 32 gig micro SDHC card here. So it is a class 1, but I mean a class 10, but it is what is it, the 1 rating versus the 3 rating here. So there you go. This is the Wyze Sense. So this is kind of the contacts, like if a door opens or stuff like that, you'll know. Right here you can see there's 3 bulbs that it comes with. So the bulbs it comes with is 800 lumens right there. So this is bulb number 1, bulb number 2, and bulb number 3. They actually look a lot longer. So let me go ahead later on. What is this? Alright, looks like this is just filler and moisture packs. So what else is in here? Got the camera. So this is a 1080p. So this has a good weight to it. So it doesn't seem like it's a plasticky camera, though it's not a pan and zoom type camera. In any case, you know, just a good weight to it. And just looking in, just grabbing the rest out here. These are the 2-pack smart plugs. So comes with 2 smart plugs. So let me go ahead, open these up, and you can see what the quality is like. So there's just a lot in this kit. So I am going to show you right here the bulb. So this is the 800 lumens bulb. So that's pretty bright for 800 lumens. And once again, a good weight to it, not cheap stuff, even though it comes in a kit. See, this is the camera. So this camera is the Wyze V2, I believe. Yeah, so it's the Wyze Cam V2, and it is 1080p. So the exact model number right there is Wzye C2. And it's very cube-like. Just going around, you can see in the back here. It does have a mic. So this is the square camera with the base, but it does come with a, so this base is magnetic, so you can see how strong the magnet is. You know, it's fairly magnetic. And then it also comes with a base for the magnet and sticky, just in case you have to stick it to a non-magnetic surface. But this here is the magnetic surface. So for example, you could see how strong it is. If I had it full, right there, the magnetic base. So that's kind of neat. It does need a power source for the camera. And it does come with 2 smart plugs, and they are right in the middle in case you were wondering, and just stack them on top of each other. You could see the spacing is good for 1 outlet. Set that aside. You saw the 32 gigabyte MicroSD card, the 2 bulbs, and this here is the Sense. So it is the motion detector and the 2 contact detectors, and that's the hub. So the hub is what actually connects to the Wi-Fi. See, that's a reset pin right there. Set that aside. Take all of these out. So these are tiny. You can see the motion detector here. they're tiny. This is 1 inch square, so you can't really tell that difference in the pictures. And this is also 1 inch square, so they are very tiny. And then there's an extra contact. So this is the other contact here, and they're magnetic, so they separate. And let's see if there's anything else in here. So that's really it. And if I open this up here, so this is part of the camera. So this is the USB cord for the camera. Right there. This is a magnet. So you with a sticky. This is the outlet plug. And that's really it. So let's see so these are just so that's really it. That is the Wyze Home Smart Kit. And thank you so much for watching.